Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get started with AMIS Runtime using Node.js. Before we begin, you'll need AMIS Pro installed. So go to our website amispro.be and there you can download a free trial, install it, and activate it through our trial form request. So just to demonstrate this, you would open up AMIS Pro and there you can fill in your details in our trial license request form and you'll be able to activate your license. Once your AMIS Pro trial license is activated, let us know that you're interested in a runtime license. Our team will upgrade your trial license to a runtime license. And that's it for AMIS Pro. So next we need a scripting environment. So AMIS Runtime works with several languages, but in this series we'll stick to Node.js. You can download Node from the official website and run the installer or follow the commands in the terminal. After installing it, open your terminal and type node v and npm v. Both return a version number. As you can see here, the installation was successful. And at this point, you're fully set up to start AMIS Runtime in your 3D printing workflow. So in the next video, we'll take a quick look at the AMIS Runtime folder structure and we'll run our first sample script using Node.js together. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.